Now let's have a look at the multiple video display area functionality. Firstly, you can see that we have VDA1 highlighted, and here we can select a suitable layout and add cameras as required. Now, using the right mouse click, we can go to display areas and add new, and here you see we have VDA2. Again, repeat that same process. Select a layout and add the cameras you wish to display. Repeat that same process for VDA3 with a layout, and again we can repeat that for VDA4. Now, using the left mouse button, you can simply toggle between those, and double clicking the VDA we can tear it off and move it onto a different monitor if required. And we can simply repeat this process across multiple VDAs, multiple monitors, and provide each operator with their own bespoke workstation. Moving the VDA and releasing it over the grey highlighted area will redock that VDA. We can remove the VDA simply by using the cross in the top right hand corner, or by using the right mouse click for display areas and remove this. And here you can see we're back to VDA1. It's also possible to create a VDA using the layout function. So there are many options for an operator to create their own bespoke workplace.